In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your PLN using Wordpress. So Wordpress is a website that allows you to create a blog for free, and in the past students in EDFD 459 have found WordPress to be a good and helpful and intuitive website to use. Now, there are other websites out there that allow you to create a blog, so you're not pinned to using WordPress, but I've had some experience with this site over the last 5 or 6 years, so I'm able to troubleshoot and assist you with it, probably more than I can some other websites. But as I said, the decision is entirely yours. So the important thing to remember is that when you create your PLN, it needs to have a blogging function on it. We'll know from our week 2 reading that a blog is about you being able to post content onto your site, and your readers can interact with both the content and you. Okay, so it's not about a static website where they're purely reading information. It's about how they can interact. So it's very much a Web 2 tool. So WordPress allows you to have the website component of it and also the blogging component of it. So to set up a WordPress account, I'm going to assume that you actually don't have an account with WordPress already. You go to the website, which is https://wordpress.com, and it'll take you to this particular page. And as you can see, it says create a website, and really importantly, it's creating a website for free. So you click onto the create website icon, and it will take you to step 1 of 5, setting up your site. Now, when you use the free function on WordPress, it allows you to put in a URL of your choosing, but it will always end in .wordpress.com, and that's absolutely fine. That works perfectly. You'll probably see as you start exploring PLNs that are out there that many of them use WordPress, and they don't pay any money to have the WordPress part taken out of it. They actually just keep it in there. Now, I'm going to call this the Learning Space 2015. So my URL for my site will be the learningspace2015.wordpress.com, and you'll see on the right hand side here where the green tick has just appeared. That means that that complete URL of the learningspace2015.wordpress.com is available. Now, I tried this earlier on, and I didn't put the in it, so it was Learning Space 2015, and somebody has already used that, so it actually came up as not available. Once you're happy with this, okay, and this part of your website will never change, so once the URL has been decided, that's what it's always going to be. You click on Create Your Site and Continue. And if you aren't currently a member of WordPress, this is where you actually sign in. So I'm going to sign in with the email address I've set up for it. Okay, so that's showing you ticks, so they're all fine. It means it's all available, and I'm going to go to next step. And this is where WordPress asks you if you want to spend any money. So you'll notice that these custom addresses don't have WordPress in them. Unless you want to be spending the money, I really would, if I were you, just click on no thanks down at the bottom. Okay, so click on no thanks. Then it asks you to choose a theme. So every WordPress website stroke blog actually has a theme behind it that provides color, font, in some cases images, and allows you to develop a look for your particular PLN. And this is something that you can change. So if you decide on one in week 1 and then you want to change it in week 2, you can do so. Now I'm going to, for the purposes of this video, select the Eden one, so I literally just click on that. It prompts me to spend money again, which I don't want to do, so under here you'll have the free one. Select free. and then it starts to finalize the process for you. And you'll see up here that it's asking you to activate your WordPress account. So if I go to the email address that's associated with this, you'll see that here it says WordPress activate the Learning Space 2015. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to confirm my email address. And that now shows me that I have actually got I've got my WordPress account set up. So what I want to do is here where it says view site, just click on that, and it will take me to the blog that I've just set up. Now it's very basic at this stage, but what we'll do over the course of the semester is start to add elements to it. So we'll start posting to it, we'll begin to add images, and eventually you'll start communicating with each other as well. But the important idea for week 2, or for module number 1 and the week 2 component of it, is for you to set up your learning space. And I'll be talking about this more during Adobe Connect session number 1.